Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Boqii cat ball toy. In the box, you'll get a user manual, micro USB cable, small bell, and Boqii cat ball toy. The Boqii cat ball toy is 100% automatic and rolls all by itself, once touched with a nose or paw. No apps, no control needed. Simply charge the ball with the included USB cable and the ball has enough charge for hours of play. By playing this ball, first you need to make sure it is already charged. And then you can press the button and hold for 3 seconds to make it start. You can press the button once to switch the mode and select the most suitable mode for your kittens. Green is the passive mode and it for extremely active cat. When your cat tries to touch it, this ball will make the active response to meet all the interactive needs of your cat, such as jumping, running. The ball moves and shakes to get your pet's attention. Once they touch the ball, it becomes responsive to further enact the play response from your pet. Blue is the active mode. It is for active and bold cats. When the cat touch it, it will make then same reaction as green mode. And when you not to touch for some seconds, it will turn the light to bright blue and the ball will run it by itself, and when you touch it, it will make the action. And also, this ball has the intelligent obstacle avoidance, so you don't have to worry about the ball getting stuck in a corner or under the couch. This mode is definitely suitable for your cat whose interest needs to be attracted through certain toys. Under this mode, the smart ball will be running itself and quickly attract the cat's attention and keep the cat interested through this response. Purple is the moderate mode and it's for timid cat. This mode is very kind and gentle that won't scare your kitty with the normal interactive action. This interactive cat toy have everything cats love: a ball to bat, chase around, the excitement of rolling sound. Under the smart algorithm, the ball is smart enough to roll and realize when it is not being played with. It will respond enthusiastically while a cat touches or kisses it. When left alone, the ball enters stealth mode to recapture cat's attention, roll around, bounce like a mouse to stimulate the feline to capture their prey.